Hi Jocelyn, how you doing? My name is Joe with Metro Design. I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to boost your online ranking, your online presence, and bring you in some of those leads that you're missing out on. So first, I want to talk to you about content. So content is king in Google's eyes. The more content you have, the bigger your website is. Google loves that, so they'll, rank you higher. For your home page, Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on it. On your back pages, Google likes to see between 500 and 700. So if we scroll, obviously you don't have that 1,500 to goal that Google likes to see. You have about 300, a little over 300. And then same as with your services pages, a little over 300, so need some more content, which isn't very hard to do. You also want to throw in some keywords that people are searching for. We can talk about that later, but there's certain keywords that people are searching for more on a higher monthly volume than others, so you want to make sure you put those in your content as well. Good job on building your website out. A lot of people don't have, back pages, so good job there. I want to talk to you about this real quick though, not secure. Google's docking you points for this as well. They like their websites to be secure. Easy fix, so some easy points there as well. If we go over your competition, this company right here, you can see, they're built out pretty good as well. Appliances they do, or services they do, brands, schedule, service area. So definitely built out. As far as their content on their homepage, they only got about 600, a little over 600. So they're not reaching that goal either. So get that 1,500 to 2,000 goal on your website that we talked about. You could easily outrank them on their homepage. As far as their back pages though, they're pushing a little over 1,000. So to beat them on their back pages, you would have to do like 1,200, 1,500 content words on your back pages, which is definitely doable. So that's content. Pretty straightforward. Just get some more words, get some more keywords, build out your website. That's what Google loves to see. So that's what we do. Next, I'll talk to you about citations. First of all, the website I use is a little spazzing out today for some reason. So I wouldn't, take to heart this number right here. But this is who's in the Google map listing, number 1. To get there, or to help your chances on getting there, you need citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. The more you have, the easier it is for Google to rank you in the map listings. So as you can see, this guy has 10, which is super low. So that's why I'm thinking my website I use isn't working today for some reason, so hopefully they get that fixed. But say it is 10, it'd be super easy to beat. You need to go get 40, 50 citations so that you can beat them. You don't want to, just get 10 and stay level with them. You want to, blow them out of the water every chance you get. Citations, content, and backlinks. You just want to keep piling it on. Blow them out of the water. That's citations, pretty straightforward. Next is going to be backlinks. Once this loads. Alright, so backlinks. This is your competition right here. Backlinks push power to your websites. So the more backlinks you have, which is a link from another website to your website, pushes power, depending on which backlink you use. You want more quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks, so you can push higher power. If you go out and get 20 bad backlinks and I go out and get 10, I'm going to win every time. So that's the thing to keep in mind with backlinks. This is your competitors. 212 websites pushing 1.92 thousand backlinks to their website. So that's a big number. Keep that number in mind, and we can go out, get your website. Alright, so here's your numbers. Obviously, a big difference. He had 212 websites, you have 44, and he had almost 2,000 backlinks, you have almost 160. So, that is why he's number one, backlinks, and on his website. So, keep that in mind. Hopefully, video was informative. You can go ahead and reach back out to me through Facebook, or you can call or text me at 515-468-3039. Thanks.